couple of things. Number one, this window is in fairly good shape. It just looks kind of dirty. Let's measure it. The other thing though, look at World Headquarters. Are you kidding me? Listen, I know I've talked about this before. I was gone on vacation for a month. Longer than I've ever been on vacation in my life. Way too long, to be honest with you. I love it here at World Headquarters. I'd rather just stay here. I like a 10-day vacation. That's perfect for me. You're not here for that. You're not here for that. But I have not scheduled a camper, but I am scheduling a camper. Okay? We're working on it. I got 2 or 3 in the mix. We're just seeing where we're going to land. Okay? Thanks for the update, Rob. We didn't ask. I know. But look, I have not been able to use that for a workbench in years. You've probably never even seen that area before. Listen, it's controlled cat, but look at this. I have spent literally the last 4 days right even into the deep, dark corners, that's full of sawdust that just came out of these corners and these crevices. You know, we do a lot of sawing. But anyway, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little proud of it. I worked hard for 4 days, got this thing ready to rock and roll. So, but anyway, let's get back to this, okay? Let me get you I still want you to see how clean the shop is, because I'm still proud of it. But what we're here today on this, our old pal Larry from Nikki and Larry, you've seen him on a couple of our videos, sent me a message. He said, hey, I need a 90-inch Jalasi window. So, okay, well, 80 inch. This is only 65. 80. What's 80? Yeah, I wonder if he's talking about like those up there. Whoop. Like that. You know what? I've got one similar to those out in storage. Let's go out there and see if that's maybe will work for him. All right, out here behind World Headquarters. I left this open and unlocked for 3 days one time. Nobody noticed. Just makes me feel better to put a lock on it, you know. Especially now, because I got the Dune Cat in here in storage. And some other things that do have a value. So I'm just trying to find a good place to put this camera. Let's go in here. You can see I've got some things back here. I have thinned out the herd. I've taken a bunch just to the dump that nobody's asked about. I've got those stoves and ovens and sinks out there. If you want them, come and get them. Give me a couple of bucks. Come and get them. Okay. All right. Now, that's not it. I do not like this window. It's a slider, but I keep it just in case. You never know when you need something. Now here is this is kind of, I think, out of a Scotty, front window out of a Scotty. And it's only it's not Jalasi. Yeah, it's only 60. But these parts come apart very easily for the Scotty. All right, I've got, I don't know, I think this here is not what he's thinking, but this is like something that would have come out of the King. These just push open with a handle, so they're easy to rebuild, they're easy. This would have to be replaced, but I think what he's working on is the 70s. So that's not going to fit in, not going to shuck and or jive with what he wants. Now here is kind of a 2-window version. I have to see if the cranks work. I think this is just a 60 as well. Yeah, a little over 60. So now I did have some 80-inch Jalasi, I think they were 80, but nobody ever came to get them. I put them out there, saw if anybody wanted them, and I just took them to the trash. I mean, if nobody wants them, why am I saving them? I mean, I had them for a couple of years. Oh, wait a minute. Is that one? Let me flip you around here. Oh, how do I flip around? Where is it? There's no flip around. Okay. What's this? Oh, wait a minute. I think these are my Highlander windows from my pal Jesse. Yeah, I can't let those go. Okay. I thought maybe we hit the jackpot there. I mean, we did hit the jackpot. Jesse did us right on that. You remember old Jesse came in here and sold me some junk. Yeah, it was good stuff. Really, well, some of it was junk, but most of it, very good stuff. Because I did have, where I've got these windows off the Scotties, I used to have a couple up there. Then I had several right up there, but, you know, nobody wanted them. Okay, let's, I think we need to see if these work at all. Here. So I think I've got some cranks somewhere. Now I reorganized. And you know, when you reorganize, sometimes, where did they go? Maybe one of these might work right here. Let's see. So we'd like to let Larry know if these are going to crank open or not. I think this, for what I have, I think these will shine up nicely. Okay. Somebody had just, I mean, he's going to have to clean on them, that's for sure. But everything's here. It's just been sitting a long, it was sitting a long time before I got it. Let me get my trash container over here. Pull this on this. I just want to not crank too hard because I don't know. Probably needs a whole bunch of WD on it. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah. Right there. Okay, so that's good. Come on. All right, now let's try. Kind of want to. Somebody was tired of that sun coming in. This is exactly why I do not want gigantic front or back windows. Man, you're gonna be in a suntan bed, and I want peace and quiet. For me, peace and quiet sometimes it's just the difference between a giant window blasting the sun and what's going on here. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Hey, perfect. It's just, it needs a lot of cleaning. Okay. So let's set this off to the side. I know we can offer this to Larry, and if that's what he wants, Larry can come and get it. Let's try this guy out here. It's a nice window. Oh yeah. Perfect. Oh, this one looks a little loose. Let's see. No, it was just not shut all the way. Oh, come on. Yeah, this thing just got wallered out is all. But it opens. Let me see if I can get it back closed. And it needs, you know, it needs WD. Yeah. It's a crank issue. So both of these work. Just depends what he wants. He specifically said Jalasi when he asked for the windows. And that was an old video because those were up there and they're no longer here. Now I'm just looking up in the ceiling to make sure I do have a spot definitely for one of these. I should find out today on that camper coming in. So, in the interest of camper content, getting you off the Doomcat, I'm just kind of letting you know what I'm doing as I'm going. If Larry takes one of these, what's the video of Larry taking one of these?